So any video we'll be making will be third option is called text to, image to, music to download the video. Text, image and music. Image will be one, text will be one, and music will be one. In this option call is image to video.com. Here I don't have any kind of images, any kind of PowerPoint. I don't have any kind of camera. I'll make the video by using text. By using text. In this, convert text to video. Convert text to video. What are the tests you can download by your website? What are the website download the content? To maintain a notepad. To maintain a notepad. First your title of the video. Second your like, share, comment and subscribe. Control A. Control C to Control V. Select your font. Select your font. After you select your font size, your wish. Then center or bottom, center, and charter will be on or off. Again for on. It's very important. Your background image. Set your background image. So I'll by title. What are the images are you can found it by Google. Select by images. Okay, everything will be there. Select image with your same title. Save. Go for background image. Background. Just click for next. After that, add your music. This logo. Now start your in your option for the create video now. Sometimes these options will not show. That is called update the website. Not nothing. Just take the content into my website to change your title on the website and update on your notepad with a like, share, subscribe and comment box. Same content upload with using for one background. You can fill image, select your font color, font size, shadow on and off, center or bottom, create your image. To text to, music to, logo to video. Any video what are the making, logo is a mandatory to give the watermark. Give the watermark. So going to 39%, wait up to 100%. After I'll show this, auto video will be shown to the customers. After done video, see this. Is it clear? This is your option. Is it clear? This will be your particular things. But after that, we'll go for download. Download this video are here. Two options. This is called download by. This is called to make the video using for text to, image to, music to, video